Alright guys, got the truck dropped off here at the paint shop. Gonna be getting these bumpers, this bumper here, and the grille surrounds, as well as the rear bumper here. And these door handles, they're gonna be color matched to the paint truck. So we're gonna leave the truck here and come pick it up in a few days to a week. Alrighty guys, so here's the truck all finished up. They've got the grille surround all color matched up, as well as the lower front bumper. While it was in there, I actually ended up ordering some fender flares and having them color match that, so that's added as well. They've got the color matched door handles. And then the rear bumper as well, all color matched. I think it looks amazing. Definitely makes the truck look a lot more premium, being only a tradesman without the sports appearance package, but I think it looks great. Next thing is gonna be some wheels and tires. Got to get it all washed up and everything. It's a little dirty right now, but I think she looks amazing. What do you guys think?